What if I told you that this dashboard can be created from an Excel file in under 2 minutes, without writing a single line of code? And this isn't just a static chart. Click a bar, and the entire dashboard filters. The KPIs update, the charts update, and the table updates. You can also search and sort the raw data. So how did I make it? Honestly, there's almost nothing to do. I uploaded my Excel file to Claude. First, open Claude and upload your Excel file. Then paste this prompt. It tells Claude to understand the Excel data automatically, choose the KPIs and charts, create interactive filtering, build a searchable table, and package everything into one HTML file. 2 lines are especially important. First, don't ask me questions, just make reasonable assumptions. And second, generate everything as one single HTML file. Now just send it. Claude analyzes the spreadsheet and generates the dashboard code. Save the result as an HTML file. And here's the important part, you don't need Excel, Python, npm, or a server to run it. Just open the HTML file in your browser. And now you have a real interactive dashboard. Click a category to filter the dashboard, search the data instantly, sort any column, and reset everything with one click. The best part is that you don't have to manually build all those charts, formulas, filters, and formatting. The prompt tells Claude what the dashboard should do. I've put the exact prompt in a practice Excel file in the description, so you can follow along with the same example. So if you have an Excel file sitting on your computer, try it, upload it to Claude, paste the prompt, and see what dashboard you get. If you want more practical AI automation tutorials like this, subscribe.